welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today is Wednesday and it's almost 9:40 a.m. here. I'm off today from work because I've been working for 3 days in a row, and since I'm off today, I'm gonna take the kids to a community food hub. It's actually our first time to go there. We don't know what's waiting for us there or what are we going to find when we go there. But I told the kids last night when I saw the post that they're giving out free foods. They have different stuff there for us to come and see, so at least we'll be able to experience what's in it. So come with us and we're gonna show you as well. See ya. Hello guys. So I think we are almost there na. We just got off from the bus and then now we are walking towards their community hub.
If you were homeless, you could live there.
So as you can see, ang ganda din ng ano nila dito. Yung paligid nila. Tsaka merong mga flowers. I'm gonna show you. Hello guys, sorry hindi na kami nakapag-video kanina doon sa loob kasi nakakahiya. Mostly kasi yung mga nandun is mga may ano na, may edad na. So nakakahiya kasi nagkipag-usap sila and hindi ako makakuha ng video. But we really had a great time there. As in, yung setup pala is may mga tables sila sa loob and then lahat free. Ang daming bread, ang daming mga delata, mga kung ano-ano talagang pagkain, may fruits, and then may nakuha din kami, may binigay din sa amin. Tsaka syempre pumili na lang din kami kasi since nandun na kami, actually nabigyan kami ng cereals, ng bread, fruits, mga ano ba yun? Basta madami, iba-iba. Crisp, oo. You just have to choose whatever you like or kung ano yung magagamit mo. Pero syempre, yeah, kasi limited lang yung tin cans nila ngayon na supply. So yun, tsaka tag-isang cereals lang kasi konti lang din yung supply nila ng cereals ngayon. Pero the rest, you can take whatever you want. Tsaka after that, meron silang parang maliit na servery area na pwede kang mag-coffee, pwede kang mag-tea or coffee, may mga buns din, may mga bread na pwede kang kumuha at saka kumain doon. And then, doon, makikipagchikahan sila sa'yo. Yeah, we have orange. Makikipagchikahan sila sa'yo. Kumustahan, ganun. Parang, maganda siya. Actually, maganda siyang idea yung ginawa nila.
And kids are very welcome.
Yes, kids are very welcome there. Tsaka ang babait nila, lalo na yung mga
That's one of the guys.
mga mga matatanda, as in sobrang bait, very friendly talaga. And we really had a great time and we're so lucky na naka-visit kami today. So they are here I think every Wednesday. So, ang dami nila natutulungan pag ganun. Sabi nung nakausap ko kanina, they just started this dito sa church nila.
Weeks ago.
And then, hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy. So,
and we got free cookies.
Yeah. So, next week, kasi work ako, yung husband ko naman yung papupuntahin ko kasama yung mga bata. Hello, guys! So, we just got home, literally. It's currently 11:30 and kakauwi lang talaga namin kasi may dinrap pa akong parcel sa Royal Mail sa post office. So, I'm gonna show you guys ano yung mga nakuha namin dun sa free food, community fridge. So, eto. We got this bread from Tesco siya. It's the cheese bloomer. So, eto, for free lang namin to nakuha dun sa pinuntahan namin kanina. We also got this. Actually, may box to kanina. Tinanggal lang namin kasi very bulky siya bitbitin. 1 kilogram of their cornflakes. So, i-refill natin to mamaya sa ating supplies. Ito yung nakuha din namin. 1 kilogram ng cornflakes.
Who wants to see our Wii?
We also got this pan of chocolate bread. Actually, yung isang, isang bag is may dalawa. Tapos, dalawang bag yung nakuha namin. Kaso, kinain na ng mga bata kanina yung isa. So, yan. Ito yung natira. Ito yung nakuha namin bread. Meron din silang binigay na water, sparkling water. Actually, hindi ako mainom ng sparkling water. Yung anak ko lang yung kumuha yun kanina. Tsaka ito din yung water. Meron din kami nakuha na ito. Instant noodles. Thai noodles. So, chicken flavor. Dalawa. Actually, kinuha ko lang to doon. Hindi ko rin alam anong lasa nito. So, yun lang yung nakita ko. Kaya kinuha ko na. Meron ding ito. Apples. Mostly from Tesco yung mga binigay nila doon, yung mga supplies nila. Feeling ko yung nagdo-donate sa kanila is Tesco. So, eto. May isang pack ng apples. So, yung ingay. Tsaka, meron ding easy peelers. Ayan. Isang balot ng easy peelers. Nakuha din namin to. Tsaka, spaghetti rings. Kanina kasi, nakalimit lang ng 2 cans yung pwede namin kunin. So, isa lang yung kinuha ko actually kasi tatry lang naman namin tong spaghetti rings nila. I also got this strawberry jam. From Tesco din siya. So, 2027 pa yung expiry date niya, guys. April 2027. Diba? Tsaka ito, yung expiry date niya is April 2027 din. Tsaka, since may nakita din akong chili kanina, kumuha din ako. Kasi pang lagay sa pang sahog sa ulam. Magluluto ako. Tsaka meron din, ito talaga yung pinakauna kong kinuha, guys. Long grain rice. Tsaka ito lang yung nag-iisa doon. Kaya sabi ko, ay, let me grab it. Kasi, pandagdag sa rice dito sa bahay. This is 1 kilogram long grain rice. Also from Tesco. O, diba? Then actually, may nakuha din kami isang pack ng crisp doon. Ito siya, pero nabuksan na kasi. Ayan. So, yung natira is, eto na lang. 3 na lang yung natira since nabuksan na ng mga bata kanina. So, eto yun. Tsaka, they have free coffee and tea. Pwede kayong magkape-kape. Mag-tea if you like. May mga free, din sila dun, mga free buns, bread na pwede nyong i-pair sa coffee or sa tea nyo. By the way, yung pinuntahan pala namin is yung New Mosley Presbyterian Church. So, meron silang activity, parang activity area doon. Doon nila nilalagay yung mga yung mga food donations, and then pumupunta lang yung kahit sino. It's open for everybody. It's free. So, pumupunta lang doon yung mga tao to get something, and they're open on Wednesdays. So, sabi nung nakausap ko kanina, they just started talaga this type of community activity. Kasi nga may mga nagdo-donate ng mga food, yung mga galing sa Tesco or from other shops, nagdo-donate sila doon, and they give it out to those na gustong gusto ng free food or something. So, it was actually a very nice experience kasi ang babait talaga ng mga tao doon. It's mostly mga elderly pero very accommodating sila, very friendly. They would chat with you. Talagang they would, go the extra mile to open conversations with you. Yung mga bata, kinakausap nila. So, it was a very good experience for us and for the kids, no? At least, yung mga anak ko, they have something to, something memorable to look back sa naging summer holidays nila. Yung, sana yung pagpunta namin dun sa community hub. So, actually, if you live nearby, you can go there every Wednesday. Magpo-post din sila sa Facebook page nila, which is New Mostly, I think it's PCI, basta Presbyterian Church. So, may page sila, you can go check. And then, yeah, it was a really good experience for us. So, I'm actually planning na bumalik doon next time, if off din ako, para makipag, chikahan lang din doon sa mga, mga elderly volunteers nila, or just have coffee. So it was a nice experience, really. Thank you very much for watching my vlog, and I hope you do like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you will be updated for my upcoming videos. Thank you very much, and you all take care. Bye.